So for the third part, you're going to need an F roll. You're also going to need a high G roll. And you're also going to need a high A roll. You're also going to need a couple of no cuts. So you're going to need an F cut and a G cut and an A cut. And once you have them under your belt, we're good to go. Frosahin of the C part sounds like this. Okay, so first of all you're going to go A, F, D, D, lovely and easy, and you're slurring into it, but for the sake of it in isolation it sounds like tongue, 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 tongue. Okay, now next little bit is, so you're going to go C, D, A, D, and it goes, excuse me, that's a C sharp. Now this is one of the sneaky C sharps, okay? Remember we've one at the end of each part, and then we also have this one stuck into the middle of the third part, okay? Right, so watch out. So you're going to go C sharp, D, A, D, and it's going to go tongue, tongue, sorry, slur, tongue. Try that. And do. Okay, mahu. Now you're going to go, so you go F, A, F, D, and it's slur, slur. Okay, try that with me. And do. Intak. Okay, now how about we try doing all that together? And do. Mahu, intak or fad. Now we're going to frost do. Right, first section is G, breath, nice and easy. So simple, right? Next section is, so you go E, C natural, B, C natural, G. Watch out, it's a C natural now again, okay? So E, C natural, B, C natural, G, slur, tongue, slur. Sounds like this. Excuse me. Try that with me. And do. Lovely shuff. Okay, right. Third section. So you're going to go C natural, E, high G cut, F, E. Okay, so you're going to go tongue, tongue, slur. Sounds like this. Try that with me. And do. Okay, mahu. This is not an easy phrase, lads, so well done. So let's try it all together now, okay? Hin, do, tree. Intak, mahu. In, do, tree. Intak, mahu. Phrase 3 sounds like this. Okay, lovely and easy. You're just gonna go F, roll, G, breath. Let's try that with me. And do. And it's start. And then you're just gonna go G, A, roll, E, all in one big slur. Slur. And do. and then just finish off with an F G. So try that whole thing together. In do. Excuse me. Ítach, mahu. In do, tree. Ítach, mahu. Now, Frosacahar, glad to report that it is identical to Frosacahar in the third part. You just go, excuse me, in the second part. Right? So, how about we try putting that all together? In the tree. Ahoo! So now we're going to do the variation of phrase 1. Okay, so it sounds like this. Okay, so in essence what you used to do before is you go down, hang around, up, slightly down. And now you're going to go down, down, really low, up and down. Okay, so it might help you to look at it visually first, you know, if you're a visual learner, all cues help. So here we go. First little thing you're going to do is, so it's A, F, D, A, and it goes tongue, tongue, slur. Let's try that with me. Ein, do. Okay, next section is, so it's F, D, A, D, and you're going to go tongue, slur, tongue, ein, do. Okay, and then third phrase is F, A, F, D, slur, tongue, tongue. Okay, so when you put that all together, it sounds like this. Ein, do. Mahu. Fair play to you. Frosted variation sounds like this. So you're going to go G, breath. Easier what? That's your first little bit. Now you're going to go, excuse me, I made a hymns that. I'll do it again. It sounds like this. So it's high E, C natural, G, C natural, G. And be very wary of the articulation here. It goes slur, tongue, slur. Sounds like this. Try that with me. Ein, do. Ítach, mahu. Now try doing the third and final section, which is lovely and easy because it's the same as the original. Sorry. Just go C natural E, cut with your F, G, E. Sorry, cut G, F, E. And it goes tongue, tongue, slur. Sounds like this. Right? So, how about we put that all together? Sounds like this. Ítach, mahu. Now, we're going to do a lovely variation of phrase 3. This is probably one of my favourite variations of all time. It's so simple, but I think it really works. And you just go. So it's so easy. You just go F, A, E. I just love that. I have no idea why. I just adore it. Okay? So, what you're going to do is F, A, E, and it's tongue, 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 tongue. Let's try that with me now. Hey, do. Okay. Then you're just going to go lovely and simple G, roll, A, breath. Try with me. Hey, do. And as you undoubtedly heard, that is slurred. Oh, that rhymes. And then the final little section is slur, A, E, F, G, slur, tongue, tongue. Try with me. Hey, do. Now let's put it all together. Get ready. 1, 2. Íntac, ma, who. And now, to really make you sound like an absolute pro, there's a lovely little downy variation in the ending, okay? Descending even, okay? So, what you do is you go... And then the whole room goes quiet and everybody goes, wow! Okay? So, what you do is you start off like before, you just go high gosh on your F. E, D, C, A, G. So let's try that. And then it gets a little different. You go. So you first of all go cush with your A, G, and then you just do E, D, and it goes slur, slur. Sorry. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's try the whole phrase. Ready, go. Right? Mahu, integral. In the tree. In the tree. Integral fad, mahu. In the tree. Mahu. Fair play.